If you're considering Clarizen for your construction management needs, there are 12 important things you need to know before making your decision. While it's a solid platform with great features, you'll want to see how it compares to others in the market, especially if you're looking for something that really fits your church's unique needs. First, Clarizen is primarily known for its project management capabilities, but it does offer some church management features. It's a flexible platform, but if you need something highly specialized for churches, you might find it lacking in some areas that platforms like Planning Center or Breeze might excel in. Next, one of the standout features of Clarizen is its customizability. You can adapt the system to fit your workflow, which can be incredibly useful. However, this also means it might take some time to fully implement and understand. If you're looking for something more plug and play with less setup time, other options might be better for you. The third thing you should know is that Clarizen is cloud-based, making it accessible from anywhere, which is great for church staff who are on the go. But depending on your internet connection, performance can be a little slow at times. This can be an issue if you need quick access during peak hours when you're planning events or managing services. The fourth thing is that Clarizen offers extensive reporting tools. If you need to track data on church events, memberships, or donations, it can provide detailed insights. But keep in mind, these reports are more general business focused, which could mean extra work for your team to tailor them to your church's needs. Next, Clarizen's pricing model is based on the number of users and features you choose. While it can be scalable for large churches, smaller congregations may find it to be more expensive than alternatives with similar basic features. Be sure to consider your budget and whether the extra features are necessary for your church. The sixth thing to consider is integration. Clarizen can integrate with other software you may already be using, but setup isn't always straightforward. It's something you'll need to invest time in, unlike other church management systems like ChurchTrack, which tend to offer smoother integrations out of the box. The seventh thing is its mobile app. While it's functional, it's not as user-friendly as some other church management apps. If you need a mobile-first experience, options like Tithe.ly might provide a more polished mobile app that's better suited for church leaders and members on the move. The eighth point is security. Clarizen offers solid security features with role-based access controls and encryption, which is important for protecting sensitive church data. However, some competitors in the church space offer additional specialized features like compliance with certain religious regulations that might be a plus if your church is in need of that. Next, Clarizen's customer support is available, but not as responsive as some of its church-specific competitors. When you're managing a church, time is critical, so having a support team that can quickly address issues is essential. Some church management platforms provide more immediate, specialized support for your specific needs. The 10th thing you need to know is that Clarizen is an enterprise-focused tool, meaning its full potential might be overkill for smaller churches. If you're a small church or a church with minimal tech staff, it might be challenging to get the most out of the platform without dedicated resources. The 11th thing is that it's feature-rich, but not necessarily feature-perfect for churches. Some features you'll need, like member management or volunteer scheduling, may require extra configuration or third-party add-ons, which can add to the learning curve and overall cost. Finally, if you're looking for flexibility and scalability as your church grows, Clarizen is definitely a good option. It offers the ability to scale and customize as needed, making it a strong choice for larger, more complex church operations. But if you want a more tailored solution with a smoother setup and better overall value, we recommend exploring other options. In conclusion, while Clarizen is a solid tool for church management with strong project management capabilities, it's not necessarily the best fit for all churches, especially smaller ones, or those looking for more straightforward solutions. If you're in the market for a better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free today.